In our first two videos, we talked about defining the problem, and then the second video was about identifying success and restraints. This one is talking about brainstorming. Now, a lot of you have probably already brainstormed some possible ideas, but I want you to be aware that brainstorming is coming up with even more ideas and maybe better ways to execute said ideas. Now, I talked about the problem of keeping my door open while still locked, and I showed you the solution of the rocket. Now, another possible solution I had was this little ring right here, which still uses a magnet in it in order to stay there. And this actually might be a better solution because this allows me to pull it a little bit easier. However, even then, I still had another solution, which was making a doorstop. Now, this one happened to be a custom doorstop with my name in it. And so, brainstorming can have several different ideas. Talk to your parents about some of the different things, some of the different solutions you might have to your problem. All right? Thank you.